Hi kids, today we are going to learn another lowercase letter, and this week we're going to learn the letter U. And before we start, we're going to get our hand warmed up. I want you to remember that good pencil grip, nice sharpened pencil, and resting your hand on your paper. We need to be able to see the tip of your pencil. We should have these 3 fingers nice and loose. Your pointer finger should be shaped like a tent. Your thumb, the knuckle of your thumb should be sticking out, and your pointer finger knuckle should be sticking out. So far we have learned capital L, nice and tall. I'm going to lift up my pencil, then I'm going to make a capital H, nice and tall. Then I'm going to make a capital K, nice and tall, and each time I'm picking up my pencil and I'm leaving a space in between these letters. Next, you learn how to do a tall lowercase t, and then last week you learned how to do a lowercase I, and that letter only went to that midline. Okay, so now that our hand is nice and loose, we're going to take a look at the letter U today, and the letter U is a letter, it almost looks like we have 2 lowercase i's connected, but there's no dots at the top. So I'm going to begin by tracing this letter. I'm going to use that arrow to guide me. I'm going to go up to the middle, back down, but then I'm going to go back up to the middle and down again. So once you trace over this lowercase u several times to get your hand motion ready, then you're going to practice on your own. And remember, this is just a practice book, so if you make a mistake, it's okay. You don't need to erase it. Notice that I am lifting up my pencil in between each letter U. They don't run together. I'm lifting up my pencil each time. So I want you to make 5 or 6 U's in each of these columns. And remember, you can stop and rewind this video at any point if I'm going too fast. Once you are done with this top section, then you have some combinations here, some letter combinations where you are going to do 2 letters next to each other without lifting up your pencil. So the first one you're going to do is a U connected to another U. Now, I don't know of any words where we have 2 U's connected together, but it's just for us to get our hand moving and connecting 2 letters together. And again, my recommendation is to trace over the one that is already there. This letter combination will get you ready for a word like put. Okay, we're combining that U and that T. And for all of these lines, I'm not going to do it because of time here on our video, but I do want you to do 5 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And notice that each time I have lifted up my pencil and I've created a space in between those letter pairings. Next, you're going to try U-L, U-I. Now this is tricky. We have to make sure we dot our I in the correct place. So that I is dotted here. On the next one, our I comes first, then we go straight into a U. So on this pairing, my dot goes above my I at the beginning. Then you're going to do an H and a U, a T and a U, and an L and a U. So again, make sure that you are doing 5 in each line. Do them nice and carefully, and I would love for you to show Mom and Dad your hard work when you are finished. Great job.